work on your, singular plural.
Okay. So nowadays students are.
Hi, Sudhir, this is Puni. I'm from Delhi.
Yeah. You are from Delhi. Okay.
I'm
Sudhir. I'm
from
from Jalgaon.
Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Yeah, sir. I'm Jalgaon, Maharashtra. From Jalgaon.
It's northern Maharashtra, I believe, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Sudhir, tell me something about yourself. Yeah.
Well, my name is Sudhir Patil. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I am working in the private sector. And nowadays, I joined Clapingo. It is my second session with Clapingo, and totally my experience is good with Clapingo. And recently, I resumed today my sessions because I was paused my sessions due to some reason. Okay, and I am loving to learn new languages. So it is all about me.
It's all good. Okay. Sudhir, one thing. Try speaking slow.
Okay.
You are speaking very fast, and what happens is you are not completing sentences. When you
Okay,
speak
sir.
fast, so you're not completing sentences. Okay. Sudhir, now today's topic is very interesting topic.
What is topic, sir? Actually, I'm not.
So you want to speak on the topic, fine. If you don't want to, if you want to speak on something else, you can. The topic of the day is: would you rather be able to talk with animals or speak all foreign languages?
Actually, I had a session with on this topic. So instead of this topic, we will go another topic.
Okay. You tell me. Okay. You tell me what else you do. What are you doing for living? What you do?
For living.
Yeah.
I do private work. Means I am a private in a private school. I am a teacher. I teach computer students, and
Okay.
I
You are a
teach.
computer teacher. You are a computer teacher.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I teach computer for standard to 8th standard students. I teach coding. I teach programming. I teach general computer subjects like MS Office, Excel, all these subjects, and also typing.
Okay.
So, and I get uh, some money from other sources like online work, and I'm only one person in my family who earned money because I live with my family here, my wife, my two sons, and my father and mother live at my village near about
Okay.
2 kilometers from here. They are living in villages.
Okay. Great. Yeah. Great. And you are a computer teacher.
Yes, sir.
So that's you just tell me what's your experience teaching computers to children when what's your experience on that? Are they fast learners or?
Yeah, because nowadays children are very curious to learn
It's not
any
Sudhir, children's is not the right word. It's children.
students. Sorry. Yeah. I'm speaking about all. So that's why I think the word children.
You need to work on your singular plural.
Okay. So nowadays students are very curious to learn any device, means computer or mobile. They are very fast. Anything we teach them, they easily capture and they easily do whatever we teach them.
Okay.
So they, my totally overall experience is as good with my students.
You have a good experience with them.
Yeah.
So they learn fast. They learn fast.
Yeah, they learn fast because it's just an electronic device, and students like learn to device about maybe mobile, maybe computer, because they want to use the internet, they want to use application software, they want make a code. Recently they develop one web page, So they like to do all things over the computer.
And are you going through the your session test material, which is your vocabulary? Are you building on your vocabulary? What are you doing to build on your vocabulary?
I open my session notes and write down all the vocabulary in my notebook and try to make my own sentences on
Okay.
that particular word. So
Okay.
I do, yeah. It is only one day and one day
Okay.
I
Let's try. Let's try. You know what fluent means? Fluent.
yes, fluent.
Okay. What does that?
Uh, who is a expert in all the speaking, means who has all words available and who is prompt speaking any word. If you give the topic to particular person and he speaks fluently, non-stopping, so we can say he is the fluent.
So what do you think of yourself? Are you fluent or you are still
No,
learning?
not as much as, not as much as, because sometimes I trap in the word. I try to find a correct word, but instead of
I try to find, not found.
uh,
Find.
yeah, yeah, this mistake happened with me.
For that, you need to build on your vocabulary. That's the only
Yeah.
like you have the test session material. You can like you have one word called understanding.
Mhm.
You know what understanding is? The meaning.
Yeah,
Can
meaning
you build
understand.
a sentence with the understanding? Just make one sentence using understanding.
Uh, Understanding.
Yeah, make a sentence. Okay, no
No, sir.
problems. Okay. Uh, you know what diverse means? Diverse.
Diverse, to move another way.
Yeah, different types of people or things.
Yeah.
Different type of. And how about articulate? You know, articulate.
No, sir. No.
Articulate is like able to express thoughts and feeling easily and clearly, or showing this quality.
Okay.
Like when you are explaining something to someone, you do it
Hmm.
fluently. That's you articulate the facts.
Articulate. Okay.
So now, are you at work or?
No, sir. I am sitting under the open sky at at my home.
So you are at home. You didn't go to school today?
Yeah.
No school
Now
today.
after session I will go.
After session, you.
Yeah.
It's a government school or a private school?
No, sir. It is a private school. I am working
The
in
private
private
school.
sector. Yeah.
Okay. You are a teacher in a computer science. Computer.
Hmm. Yeah.
So, what brings you to Clapingo? Why have you joined Clapingo? You want to
Because
learn?
I'm a fond of English from my childhood. I was so curious to learn English, but there was a problem with my family. My family background is a uh, uh, means farmer family. My father is a
Okay.
farmer, and
Okay.
that's why there was no one who with I speak English. And
With whom you could
nowadays,
with
yeah,
whom you could
whom
speak English?
yeah, whom with I could speak English. So it was my dream to learn English. And nowadays, means recently, before 2018, I decided to learn English because my child was 3 years old, and whatever I did in my life, it was okay. But I thought about my son. If I he do not learn, then he will be face problem in his life. So that's why I joined Clapingo. If I learn, I will speak with him, and he will also speak English, and he will be
Okay,
capable
good.
to survive his life. So that's why I joined Clapingo,
So
and and I
you mean to
get, yeah, yes,
you mean English to learn a language is very important.
yes, because okay, whatever I did in my life now, but it is also helpful for my career also nowadays. And most important, I provide environment to my son, because he studying in third standard now, CBSE English medium school. And it's okay, their school provide him environment to for speaking English. But what about home? Because he went to school only 4 to 5 hours in a
He
day.
goes to
And
school. He goes to
yeah,
school for 4 to 5 hours. He goes.
yeah, he go to
Okay.
school for 4 to 5 hours only, and remaining time he uh, with us. So who will speak English with him? So that's why
So
I start journey.
that's why you want to learn English to teach your son
Yeah,
so that he can also
yeah,
start speaking English
yeah.
from the childhood.
That,
You are trying to give what you miss.
yes, because I'm a vernacular Marathi medium student, and now I am facing lots of problems to learn English. So
Uh,
that's and now he is studying in English medium school, but environment is most important. Whatever you learn,
very very important.
okay,
Very important.
environment. Yeah, that's
I
why
think
I joined.
the way you are working, I think you would be providing the best environment to your son.
Yes, sir.
And what else do you what besides Clapingo? What else do you do for your English? Do you read newspaper or you read some stories or you watch some movies? What you do?
I watch the movies, and I read the books. Till today, I am not starting reading newspaper, but I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and Who Moved My Cheese, and also
Acha, you read
India.
that Who Moved My Cheese?
Yes, it is a small teeny book, but very important. Means
Very, very,
nice
very good
message.
book. Very, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yes.
And who's the author? I'm forgetting. Yeah, who's the author?
Spencer Johnson.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are
And
you reading Chetan Bhagat? Have you read Chetan Bhagat?
no, sir, till today I am not read Chetan Bhagat. It is
Well,
my
you
dream
know,
to read.
Chetan Bhagat, even Chetan Bhagat is good, and you would be able to relate to the language
Okay,
because he's
sir,
an
suggest
Indian
me.
author.
Okay. Suggest me any book of Chetan Bhagat which will good for me. Please
Any
type the
book,
book
any
name.
book. Two Cities
Chetan
is
Bhagat.
there. There are many books, Chetan Bhagat. You can read Chetan Bhagat's
Mhm.
books. They are good,
Okay, sir.
good literature,
Okay, sir.
and you can
Definitely,
pick
I
up
will.
few.
I will.
Yeah, you can pick up few words from them.
Mhm.
And when you go for another session, you can discuss. You it will help you to form some sentences which would, like I asked you today to make a sentence. You could have done it,
Understanding.
but yeah, but next when you practice, you would be able to do it immediately because you have read. You would be
No,
able to do only.
I, my my understanding is very good to understand all things like that. I will
Mhm.
make the sentence, but I want
I
to
can
speak
under. I
very.
know. I know. You are very confident. You are very confident. The only thing is, you need to you complete your sentence, which
Yes,
would
sir.
come with practice. Which would come with once
Okay, sir.
you start building on your vocabulary, you would be able to complete sentence.
Okay.
And when
So
you
can I?
complete sentence, and then fluency will come. That's it.
Okay, sir. Can I ask about yourself?
Okay. I used to work for a multinational bank. Yeah, I was in Dubai for 20 years.
Wow.
I came.
Tell me about.
I came.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Please complete.
I came back in 2019.
Okay.
I'm a retired banker.
Okay. You mean you were a banker in Dubai?
Yeah. I was working for a foreign bank.
Okay. So suppose I want to go in Dubai. So what is the procedure for that?
Now, there are, on the internet, you can go to jobs in Dubai. So you will get many URL addresses. Click on them, post your resume, and that's it. Yeah. There are consultants.
What is the visa provision for that?
These are the company. If you are selected, they will provide them.
Okay. So
They provide
how I will get the links for applying the job in Dubai?
when you go to Google,
Yeah.
and put jobs
Okay.
in Dubai. Once you put jobs in Dubai, you will
Mm-hmm.
get a list of companies,
Okay. Okay.
consultants. You can
Okay. So
put your, you can contact any, few of them, give your resume,
they get some money
and
for that?
pardon.
They
Normally
get
they
money?
don't. Normally they don't. Once they provide you with a definite job, there are some charges which I'm not aware of. They do charge,
Okay.
which I'm not aware of.
Okay. Okay. No, I am asking about rough idea about the visa. If someone select the for job
Okay.
or suppose visiting purpose. So what is the rough cost for visa?
See, visiting the visa would be for I think 1,500 dirhams. Yeah. So
How much?
1,020, around 10-15,000 approximately.
15 what? For one person.
Yeah, for one person. Visit visa
So
is
how,
for 3 months,
3 months, 15,000.
15,000.
Okay.
It's a visit visa, and somebody has to. You can't apply for a visit visa. Someone who already is a resident of UAE can apply for a visit visa.
Okay. Indian not applicable for that.
You can't do it. You can't apply for a visit visa. You can apply for
Oh.
a tourist visa, which would be for 10 days. And if one is going to, looking around for a job, 10 days is a very short period. So
Yeah.
when one is going for a job, looking around for a job, so they
Mm-hmm.
prefer visit visa, which is for 3 months.
Okay. Okay. 10 days cost is very small then.
Yeah, yeah.
3 months.
10 days would be, I think, the 5,000 odd. When you buy a ticket,
And Dubai is costly than India.
Dubai is very costly. Yeah.
Oh.
Dubai is very costly, very costly.